Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max from year 2012 to year 2019. If you need to remove or replace rear tail light, park light guys, okay, or tail light bulbs, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. You will actually guys need to remove, okay, both tail lights. If you have one that's out on the outside, we'll show you how to do that. If you have one that's on the liftgate, we'll explain how to do that as well. Make sure to stand till the end. If you don't do it right, you can actually damage your vehicle guys, your tail lights, and they're expensive. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, including this one here. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy new tail light bulbs, parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money on parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said, let's go ahead and explain how to do that. First, we're going to demonstrate on the outside one. You have a tail light, park light bulb in the outside light, okay, on the bottom, on each side, and you have one, okay, in the trunk right here. We'll first do the outside one. Let's go ahead and explain how to remove the tail light assembly, and we'll explain how to remove the bulb now. So what you need to do, let me come and show you now here. Okay, we're going to come to this side. Okay, let's do it on this side. I think it will be easier so you can see it better. We're going to open that cap. Okay, just pull it right here. Well, we actually have a belt here, so we'll pull it out of the way. You can see you have these two plastic things that you need to unscrew guys, so just go ahead and unscrew them. Okay, that's what's holding your tail light in place. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, one is out, one more to go. Let's go ahead and do that one too. Okay, removing the second one now. Almost there. Perfect, this one is out too. Now if we look, okay, scan and make sure that everything's good. I don't think we have more in that case. You'll see that the thread is actually stuck on the bolts a little bit to the metal, so you need to lift the tail light a little bit up. We're going to disconnect, okay, let me show you disconnect that cable here, okay, by pressing inside. Okay, right here. Okay, give me a second to focus. Right here, you push it first in to release the pressure of the clip, you press down and you pull it out. Now the light guys, you grab it, okay, and you may have clips here and there. Okay, so let's see now if it's going to come out easy. So there is nothing else holding guys, but it may be stuck. Move it, wiggle it a little bit, grab with two hands. You need to come straight back. Don't pry with anything because you will break it. So wiggle it guys, wiggle. Okay, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. On the inside you can kind of like, okay, give me a second to push on the bolts a little bit. Okay, let's hold the camera. I'll try to grab it with two hands really strong. It looks like, okay, it's holding in a clip guys. Okay, this clip, okay, let me show you now. We're talking about that plastic clip right here, one over there, they attach one here, one over there. So tail light came out. That's how you guys remove it out of the vehicle. So now there is a trick guys. Those are very gentle, and if you try to just pull them out, they catch and you will break them. Now what you need to do, you need to actually grab that thing and you need to press down to compress the seal, and when you push down all the way, you're going to try to pry that thing out to clear the tap. Okay, and then you come do the same thing on this side. Okay, perfect. Now the one right here, usually it's very easy on this side, the single one. You pull it out, okay. Now the seal, in some cases, okay, that seal can stay here, or in some cases it can stay on the cover there, guys. Okay, this one we're talking about right there. You can see, put it on the cover. In my opinion, it will be easier to install. Tail light, park light bulb, it's this one right here. That's how we remove it. If you need to buy one and see where you can get one from for a good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. Putting this one together will be in reverse order. We took it apart. Let's explain now how to do the one on the liftgate. So now for the liftgate tail light assembly, we need to remove that cover. You need to get kind of like underneath, pry it out, pry that cap out. Right here, guys, okay, you have one thing that you need to turn. That's kind of like the screw holding it there. So you can use a screwdriver or you can turn it by hand as well. It works either way. So let's go ahead, do that now. Okay, almost getting there. Perfect, came out. Now, right here, guys, if you pay attention, okay, right there, there shouldn't be anything else holding, but there will be a couple clips holding that tail light assembly. So we're going to close the liftgate a little bit by hand. Okay, like that, because we will need to be, okay, prying that thing, guys. It has a couple clips, so let me pass now the camera so I can go ahead and grab that thing with two hands. Okay, let's see if we can shake it. You have a couple guides. Okay, it needs to come straight out, guys. Okay, okay, straight out. Now here we can get a plastic prying tool and get between the two of those. Okay, okay, perfect. You can see, but never pry right here, because no, that's not good. You need to get it with your fingers underneath, because that glass is super gentle, guys. You pry it a little bit sideways, it touches here, you break your tail light. It's done. Those are the plastic guides that we have right here. 1, 2, 3 over there, and the wiring harness is right here. You just press down in the middle, disconnect it, and that the liftgate tail light assembly came out just like that. So in order to get to the bulbs now, okay, it's right here now. You can see, pretty simple. And this is, guys, okay, this is the reverse, this is the tail light. Okay, the tail light, park light, you press down, turn at the same time, and it comes out. This is the bulb. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get one from if you need to. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.